Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing iQunix. This is the A80, the Explorer. As you can see, it has a very nice color combination here. It's a nice mechanical keyboard that a lot of people are trying to get. As you can see, here's some more little details here. Usually the 80 represents that this is 80% size of the real full-size keyboard. As you can see, there's no number pad to the right. 80% layout, mechanical switches. This one should be the brown switches, I believe. Type C connection. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this here. Try to see where the opening is. Alright, let's see if I got this here. Pop, pop, pop. And this will open up this way, so I'm going to peel. Alright, here we go. Pretty nice unboxing here. Just take out the keyboard. And they really got stuck in here. Just put a little pull tab for you. Ooh, yeah, it has a good weight to it, that's for sure. Comes with a nice, cute little sticker. Mechanical keyboard user guide. I assume this will just be the cable. It comes with keycaps. I believe this should be the tool to help you pull out the keys. Ooh, look at that cable. It's a nice matching Type-C cable too. Look at that color scheme. Oh, actually, no, here's the key puller. Alright, so let's close this box and put it to the side. So a lot of people prefer mechanical keyboards just because the way the keys sound and feel. I don't really mind it. The keyboard I have now is just a plain old Logitech full-size keyboard. So here's how the normal keyboard sounds. Yeah, it's kind of dusty. And then for my other computer, I have this very thin keyboard here for my Mac. And here you can hear the sound. As you can see, this one's really a real thin keyboard, full size. So let's peel this here. Nice tight fit in here. Ooh, even the back of this keyboard is nice looking, huh? Here's the little switch here, as you can see, for wired and wireless. Comes with 3 stages, 3 heights. And here you go, look at that. Comes with a nice keyboard protection cover. I will save this so you know you can keep the dust out of your keyboard whenever you're just not using it for a while. So keep that. And look at that. Okay, you ready? Here we go. I like the way the upper keys, the function keys, are kind of angled, so it's easier to reach. And I can show you that right here. See the nice little angle we have here? Wow, this has a good weight to it. I love it. So this one, the clickety clack is not as loud. I was thinking about getting, I think the red switch was just a little bit louder than this. But I think this here is just about loud enough. I mean, there's no one really working here next to me, so that's not really an issue. But I don't want to sit here and clickety clack be too loud. I don't know if I would enjoy that. So I went with this one, which is kind of a nice in between, where it's loud enough, but it's not too jarring, right? Yeah, the space bar. Yeah, you really hear that. And then if we're on this one here, Logitech. It's a lot nicer click, I think. A lot more people enjoy this type of mechanical feel. And you can kind of feel like a little push pop right here when you do each click. I'm loving it. And the best part is you can always remove the keys and replace it with different colors. If you wanted a louder click, you actually pull these out and you could see you can replace the insides too. Here's a port here, the USB-C port. Wow, that's fantastic. I love this a lot. Let's just go ahead and open this real quick just to see what it is. I'm curious. Oh, is it just a keyboard brush? Oh, it's just a nice simple keyboard brush. And again, here's the little keys. Especially if you're on Mac, then this will help you with the command keys. This here is the puller. You stick it inside and yank out the keys. Very nice, very nice. And again, here's the Type-C cable. Comes in the nice color scheme. Guess I'll pop it open real quick. Ooh. So here's the little wireless dongle. A little nice, small size. Here's a beautiful cable. There's a nice weave on it and everything, huh? Is there a place to put this wireless? Not really. I like it when you could store the wireless chip somewhere. But this one, nope. Yeah, they could just make this a little bit bigger. You could squeeze it like right around there somewhere, huh? So let's see. was hoping I could just turn it on and let you look at the LEDs behind the keyboard. I guess I might actually try to plug this in, huh? So, let's just try to plug this in real quick and see what happens. I'm not reading the manual, of course, but I might just have to in order to see how to turn this on and let you see the beautiful lights behind this. Alright, so let's see if I can plug my webcam here, and then I'll plug this cable in here. Oh, there you go. You see the lights now? Let me turn off my main light here. Look at that. Tell me that does not look awesome. So a lot of keyboards do something similar to this, but just the way the light and it just flows so nice. It's very nicely diffused and balanced. Is that cool? You like it? I mean, I know the LED lights like this is not for everybody, but sometimes you just want to spice it up a little bit, right? Sitting in front of your computer all day long. And I wouldn't say this light is as bright as it looks on camera, because you know you have a nice overview, right? But from what I would see, it's more like that. So I wouldn't say that's annoying or anything. It's just, I know you could choose and pick what color you want it to stay lit up as, you know, for your color theme of, you know, maybe you have LED fans and stuff like that built into your computer. I don't have that, not yet. So this is probably one of my first major purchase, and I'm loving it. And hey, maybe later on you'll see like a little matching LED mouse pad and computer fans, uplighting. Oh, maybe I'll get into all that. Who knows? But this is my first step right here with this mechanical keyboard. So, oh yeah, it's already plugged in and it's working on my Mac right now. I'm just scrolling around. Wow. Alright. If you have any questions, comments, leave it below. And if you like content like this, let me know and I'll start buying and showing more of the stuff I get computer wise. Like, I don't even need to turn my light back on. This looks so nice. Alright. I hope you enjoy this. And I'll leave a link below if you want to just take a look and, you know, read more about this. There's other YouTubers that has videos on this keyboard, and their production value is just so much nicer, so I'm not even going to attempt to do something like that. But there's a couple pretty good videos out there on this keyboard itself on YouTube. But yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Again, this is iQunix A80 series mechanical keyboard by iQunix.